Oh, yeah, wow, boy, that's pretty good.
My phone does not want to let me be great. Hello, guys. What's going on? Subway today? Chipotle chicken. Okay, so we have Subway news up today. Hey, what's going on? See it? Yeah, I don't want you to eat this. You know why? Because I only got 4 minutes before my lips come, but I'm going to try. Mm-mm. I'm wasting it. I messed up a good moment, y'all. I'm going to sit. It's all over here. Hey, what's going on, guys? We are live today. We are going live today. And I want the conversations to be everything that I don't know who all is going to join in. And here, my 52 loved ones are going to come and join with me today. You are welcome. This is your invitation. This is extremely good. The phone is taking it in as well. I feel so good, make you want to drop your phone. Okay, I still can't slap my mom. But she gonna slap me back. And she hit harder than me. Anyway, we also have Jay today enjoying and sweet chicken teriyaki. You didn't want to go new with me. You know me. I'm gonna try something in your face. It's a good eat in your face. What are you all doing today? I got me some good old agua. H2O. Aquafina. Quench your thirst. No nails today. The phalanges are very bare. I miss my nails, guys. Most importantly, I miss keeping in contact with you guys. But yeah, I want to do what's it called, a mukbang and ASMRs with you guys. I don't know what we're gonna eat later. But today is Matt Workout Monday. Look out for that. That's why I might go live. But I have to go to school first today. I don't know. I'll be with you guys. Be with me.